Hello mga ka-praise and worship. This is our guitar tutorial for Praise featuring Chris Brown. Okay, so let's start. Medyo ano lang to yung timing niya dun sa first line. That's the only thing that's medyo challenging. But the rest, you can easily do it. Okay? So, umpisa niyan yung let everything that has breath. Wala naman talaga siyang gitara. So, more on the drums siya. But if you want to put guitar part on it, it's just a let everything. Tuloy na siya. And then, pagdating sa verse, praise in the valley. Yung tuloy-tuloy na A, pero may counting na siya na 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Sa strumming, pwede mong gamitin yung down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down. Medyo mabilis lang siya. Right? Pero kung ayaw mo naman gamitin yan, it's okay. Whatever the strumming that you like, as long as pasok sa timing. Okay? So, una lang, yung first line, yung I'll praise in the valley, praise on the mountain. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, it's A, then D2, and D, tanggalin mo lang yung pinakababa, and then that is D2. Okay? Yan. So, praise in the valley. 1, 2, 3, 4. The mountain. 3, 4. 1, 2. Yan. And then, I'll praise when I'm sure. Yung sa letter E na yun. Yung next line. E, 4 counts. And then D2. And then A. Pero mas madali na kasi doon naman sa part na second line, yung, ano lang yun, 4 counts. I'll praise when I'm sure. 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm doubting. 3, 4. Okay? So, ulit-ulit lang siya pagdating sa verse. I'll do it, okay? I'll praise in the valley. Praise when I'm sure. Yan, so yun yung verse niya. Ulit lang siya. Pagdating sa pre-chorus, it's just E and D. As long as I'm breathing. Then D. Okay? Slow. Then chorus, it's F sharp minor. Nagbo 4 counts lang siya. F sharp minor, D, A, E. Okay? The Lord, oh my soul. Yan. Tapos ulit lang ulit. Yung third verse, same thing. And then, pagdating ulit nung susunod na chorus, yun na yung may I won't be quiet. Same lang yung verse niya sa chorus. Okay? So, F sharp minor, D, A, E pa din siya. Yung I won't be quiet. How could I keep it inside? Praise. Ayan. Tapos may interlude, bago mag-bridge, A lang yun. Pagdating sa bridge, it's just A, B minor, C sharp minor. Yan, usog mo lang. So, if you have B minor, ito, usog mo lang siya ng 2 beses, and you have C sharp minor, and then letter D. Okay, tigo 4 counts. Okay? I'll praise 'cause you're sovereign. Then, do it again. Nobody greater than you. Yan. So, ulitin mo lang siya ng 2 beses. Depende sa worship leader kung anong gusto niya. Kung gusto pa niya ipaulit-ulit. And then, chorus. Same thing. Yan. Same pattern. And then, that's it. Yun po yung chords ng praise. Okay? So, thank you for watching. God bless you.